So in this video, I will show you how to enable TikTok post views. First of all, after you open up your TikTok, all you have to do now, tap on this profile at bottom right side. After you open up your profile like this, as you can see now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open your menu, now all you have to do now, go to this settings and privacy, last option. After you open the settings and privacy now, tap on this privacy, second option. Under this privacy now, scroll all the way now to down and tap on this where it says post view. As you can see now, here is it, post view. So tap on it. So as you can see now, after you tap on this post view, as you can see now make sure you turn on this option. By default you can find it like this, it's turned off, so make sure you turn it on like this. So that's it guys, and now I enable my post view on TikTok. As you can see here, it says post view history. Now I can be able to see every account that view or that watch my TikTok videos. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys.